Hello everyone, my name is Beauty Ohomina. You're all welcome to this health workshop. I'm so excited to be here, and today I'm going to take you through this session, and we're going to look at early initiation of breastfeeding. Why should I breastfeed? The nutritional value of breast milk, and the need for working class mothers to get breast pump in order to express milk for their babies. Research have shown this, that breast milk provides complete nutrition and helps to prevent and fight infections. It is safer than artificial milk. The World Health Organization, WHO and UNICEF recommends that infants be exclusively breastfed for 6 months and continue breastfeeding with the appropriate introduction of solids. So just think about it as you are in this workshop. Am I breastfeeding my baby, or did I breastfeed my baby? That should be the question we should be thinking about. Am I doing well as a mom? Am I following these recommendations? It's always a question. Women get concerned. Some of the women, why should I breastfeed? Some of the women have interacted with, they tell you they can't breastfeed their babies, they are busy at work, no, their breast, they don't want their breast to sag, and so they won't breastfeed their babies. And so tell you, it's so tasking, it's so demanding, different reasons why they can't breastfeed their babies. If I keep letting them know the reason why they should breastfeed their babies, the benefits attached to breastfeeding your baby is enormous. There are many benefits. We have the benefits for the mother and also for the baby. But today, I'm going to concentrate on the benefit of breastfeeding your baby, the benefit your baby will get. Because we want our babies to grow strong and healthy. No one wants their baby to fall sick. So we need them to grow strong and healthy. And one way we can help to do this is when we breastfeed our babies. Breastfeeding is very important. There are many health benefits, and prevents your child or your babies from different diseases. For instance, ear infection. For mothers that breastfeed their babies, they will be to help them fight infections such as ear infection, diarrhea, respiratory infection, meningitis, and it helps protect babies from allergies, asthma, diabetes, obesity, sudden infant death syndrome. No, we don't want any of our babies to have this. As a mom, I won't want my baby to be suffering. And to prevent these diseases, breast milk is one way a mother can contribute to the health of our child. And so we'll participate in this. Our child will get the benefits of all this. They will be protected from these diseases. And apart from that, breast milk also contains various vitamins that your babies need. It contains vitamin A, and vitamin A is for healthy vision, and so you're sure your child will have perfect eyesight when they are breastfed. And that is important. Vitamin D it helps build strong bones. Vitamin E protects the cell membrane in the eye and in the lungs. Vitamin K, production of blood clotting factors. You see, when your children get injuries, they don't tend to bleed excessively. And that's really a good thing. And as a mom, you need to prevent this by breastfeeding them, because breast milk contains vitamin K. Vitamin C helps to heal and support the immune system. So vitamin B will help healthy brain development. Research has shown this. The kids that are breastfed, they tend to do well in school. Their memory is always intact. And so, when you participate as a mom, your child will benefit from this because they need these vitamins to grow strong and healthy. Folate contributes to the health development of children. The vitamin B12 is needed for cell growth and development of the nervous system. As a mom, I breastfed my children when they were infants because I really understand the importance of breastfeeding, and I share it with any mother that I know that is good to breastfeed their children to protect them and to prevent them from having certain diseases. My kids don't fall sick. They're always very strong. Very strong. I will breastfeed up to 2 years, and my friends keep complaining, why do that? It's too long. Yeah, I tell them I know the importance of breastfeeding. It's important we know the benefits. And once we know the benefit, that will help us to continue to participate in this program. And for some mothers, it's really challenging for them. They can't breastfeed their babies because they're working, and I recommend you use a breast pump. With a breast pump, you can express milk before going to work. You can put it in the refrigerator. When the baby wants to use it, you just use a warming, put it in a warmer as a warm, and give to your baby. And that solves the problem. It will be fresh. And that's what I use but I use breast pump. So when I'm not around, I'm very sure that my baby will have something to rely on. And so you can get a breast pump and use it for your babies. But you need to take off the breast pump by getting a sterilizer. If you cannot afford the electrical sterilizer, you can use the manual sterilizer. Right? Using a bowl, boil water, and put your breast pump and your bottles inside, and you pour the hot water. Some women had chlorine in order to make the sterilization very strong, but some don't use. You can use very boiled water. Once it's boiled, you just pour it. Rinse before it's warm, and that will help solve your problem. So I recommend you get a pump. Let's continue to know the importance of breastfeeding. Our children need to be breastfed. Let's know the health benefit. That's what we have talked about today. We've talked about recommendation given to us by the World Health Organization. We've talked about the nutrients. And we've talked about working class mother getting a pump. And so this is important. So if we can get all this that has been recommended, it will go a long way in the lives of our infants. I'm so grateful for your time and for participating in this workshop. I hope to hear from every one of you. If you have more questions and you want to know more, you can log into my website, www.healthybabies.science. Thank you so much for being part of this. I really had a great time. Say bye for me here. Bye. I hope to hear from you. Bye.